Most people think anti-theft vehicle systems have to be complicated, overloaded with wires or buzzers, or straight out of a 90s action movie. But the Woschmann Anti-Theft Security System is way more practical, with a folding remote so small it might disappear in your pocket. The folding remote is probably the first thing you'll notice. It's not the clunky plastic block most car alarms have, but a compact design that folds the metal key in, like a little switchblade. Saves your pockets from getting jabbed. You get actual impact value with this kind of remote. Everyone knows the pain of fumbling for keys in the rain or accidentally triggering the panic alarm at 7 a.m. With one click, you're locking, unlocking, and alarming the car. No drama. The installation is refreshingly not a nightmare. A typical security system means pulling out your dash, wrestling with wire harnesses, and probably losing a screw you'll never find. But you can get Woschmann installed by a pro in about 40 minutes. Here's a core detail. The alarm arms itself as soon as you lock the doors. No extra buttons, no did I remember to set it anxiety. It's actually saved me from walking back to double check, which I have definitely done too many times. Most people have been there. The day you forget to lock your car, and suddenly you're out a backpack, headphones, or just your peace of mind. With this, it's almost idiot-proof. The arm and disarm logic is built into how you already use your car. Real punchline. 90% of car thefts are crimes of opportunity. If you throw even one loud, persistent barrier in front of thieves, it slashes the chances of trouble in half. This alarm's siren is hard to ignore and impossible to sleep through. Pro tip here. The shock sensor is adjustable. If you live somewhere low-key, keep it mildly sensitive. But if you're like me and you park on busy Portland streets with e-scooters bumping everything, you can crank it up for extra peace of mind. You also get the Find My Car beeper sound. Sounds like a little feature, but wow, it saves time in crowded lots. Just press and listen. Beats wandering aisles hitting the panic button and looking confused. One dumb pain most remote systems have is battery life. Woschmann folding remotes take standard coin batteries, and you get about a year before you'll even think about changing one. No hunt for a weird charger, just pop and go. The build quality is the quiet hero. This alarm is more solid than most of the plastic knockoffs online. After a year of rainy Oregon weather and the occasional drop, my remote still flicks open sharp as ever. No tape or rubber bands required. If you've ever hesitated on car alarms because of complexity or fear of false alarms, you'll find this is both smarter and much easier to live with. It's not going to make you bulletproof, but it will make you an annoying target, and that is 90% of the battle.